We will start our eastern Iceland journey with the spectacular puffin cliff of Borgarfjörður. The magic of Iceland is not only the location that you end up visiting. It is also the route and the journey that makes it even more interesting. And this time also, it is not an exception. The road to Borgarfjörður is amazingly scenic. Finally, we can see these little cute Atlantic puffins from a very close distance. Fascinating and beautiful birds and a highlight of Icelandic coastal cliffs.
We are on our way to Stuðlagil Canyon. I think the other side is much nicer. Let's go there. It's around 5 kilometers walking from this parking. Lots of people avoid this side as it's a long walk, but we feel it will be worthy. Let's find out. You can see that's the viewing platform.
It's only a few meters away, but requires a long journey to come to the other side.
Wow, look at it. We think it's worth the hike. Now let's go cinematic. Now we have arrived to this beautiful small port town, Seyðisfjarðarkirkja. Now let's look around to see what this town has to offer. Here is the big cruise ship for Denmark. These designed houses are the specialty of this town.
On our way back, we will visit Gufufoss. Next destination, Hengifoss. We reached the first viewpoint. Second viewpoint.
Hengifoss.
The Hengifoss is the fourth highest waterfall of Iceland with a height of 118 meters after the Morsarfoss, Glæmur and Heifoss. After this amazing hike of Hengifoss, we'll finish our day with a visit to Rjúkandafoss. Our next destination is the magical volcanic crater of Askja.
Time to hike. We are just starting our hike from the parking to the volcanic crater of Askja. Quite warm, 12-13 degrees, but strangely snow is still there. There it is. We have arrived. This is really magical.
What a day we had! The pristine nature at its best. Now we should take a good night's sleep and head towards our last destination of northern Iceland, the natural paradise of Kerlingarfjöll.
We are at Kerlingarfjöll now. It's a natural paradise in the heart of Iceland. Smell of sulfur everywhere. Seismically active area where you can find geothermal activities all around.